Hey, what's up guys, Yusuf Shah from Techdroids, and in today's video let's talk about the OnePlus 7, some of its latest leaks and rumors, and what it is going to be, when it's going to launch, what are going to be the best features in the OnePlus 7, all about the OnePlus 7 in this video. So with that being said, let's get started. So starting off with the major change that might happen is that OnePlus might switch to a slider design, just like the Oppo Find X and also the Mi Mix 3. It might be a manual slider, it might be an automatic slider. Most probably they might go for an automatic slider because that's what Oppo used. And another option is to go with the pop-up selfie camera which Vivo used in their Vivo Nex. But most probably, according to the leaks and rumors and that leaked image online, it seems that they'll go with the automatic slider like the Oppo Find X. And also they'll have a 6.4-inch display, so there's not going to be any upgrades there. It's still going to be full HD. They're not going to switch to Quad HD. It doesn't make sense considering the form factor of this device and the pricing that it'll sell for. And also they'll have the best specs in 2019. So the Snapdragon 855, 6 or 8 gigabytes of RAM, 256 gigabytes of storage, 128, and a few color options. And also the battery capacity might be increased from 3700 mAh to 4000 mAh, or somewhere between that. USB Type-C is going to be there with warp charging, no dash charging. I guess they will upgrade it. The warp charging introduced in the McLaren edition was actually a pretty decent upgrade, and it did increase charging speeds. And with the Snapdragon 855 being more efficient, you will get better battery life. The headphone jack, sadly is not going to be there, and it will never make its comeback ever again in a OnePlus smartphone. And in terms of the cameras, again, there's not going to be any big upgrades there. There's not going to be triple lens or quad lens setups. It's still going to be the dual cameras on the back, so 16 plus 20 megapixels. There might be an upgrade in the sensor, there might be an upgrade in the aperture or the megapixels itself, but it's still going to be a dual camera setup on the back, and it might not be that huge of a deal in terms of image quality. On the front, again, a 16 megapixel camera is expected. In terms of the fingerprint scanner, most probably if they want to upgrade the fingerprint sensor, they can switch to an ultrasonic sensor that can be more secure, better in terms of speed, and it's just overall better compared to an optical sensor. And in terms of pricing and availability, the OnePlus 7 will launch in mid-May of 2019, and it might retail $50 or $30 to $50 more than the OnePlus 6T. So the OnePlus 6T started at $550 for the base variant. So adding up $30 to $50, the OnePlus 7 will start at $600 for the base variant and can go up to $700 to $750 depending upon which RAM variant and storage variant and color variant that you get. And there might be special editions later around its life cycle. That's about it for this video, guys. Those were the leaks and rumors for the OnePlus 7, the latest ones. And if you enjoyed this video or if it was helpful in any way, go ahead and smash the like button, and also go ahead and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future uploads. And thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.